Hindi ako isang laruan na kayang iyong papalitan matapos ang kinin. Pag-ibig ko't dangan, iwan mo akong may dusa't luhaan. Pangako mo walang natupad, pagkat pag-ibig mo pala sa huwag bigo. Ang puso kong sa'yo'y naghahangad, o kay sakit naman sinapit na rin palad. Nan, amo na nga kanta. Kanta para sa mga taksil nga mga bana kag mga mahilig mag-change oil. Dapat gina sa inyo. O gamarogat, ito magsilaw ka tong change oil nga nag-trending nga to. Di nyo mayad ba? Wow, mga sapat-sapat ka mo. Diabla. O kapoy man mga kanta ka, hindi ako isang laruan. May lupo ko, diba? May mobla ko kakuhan ka prank kay KANO. Why dati kalibutan ka ng change oil nga karatabo nga nag-trending dayan sa Pilipinas. Te, sila wonta mga palangga kung maano siya, kung ano anang reaksyon kadang sa change oil nga da. Hibe, pakita ko ninyo ha. Tani ako pag sampugulon. Ay nagawbra na buot das KANO ko. Paiprang ko lang siya maplangga kung ano anang reaksyon. Gani, silawon nyo. Ipakita ko ninyo kung paano mag-react si KANO sang change oil nga ginatawa. Ilongga akong gwapa nga nag-star, diri sa Amerika man nami magkiyay-kiyay. Dali na mo plangga, iprank ko siya. Prank ko si KANO sang change oil. Dear, who is this, dear? Who is this woman texting you?
What woman?
Oh, texting you, emailing you?
There's no woman emailing me.
Really?
There's no woman emailing me.
The last time that she saw you, she said that you met her in the change oil. What is that?
That's a pile of bullshit.
Really, dear?
Because I've changed my oil. I've never changed. I've
Don't
never
do
taken
that.
my truck anywhere.
No? Who is that woman, dear?
There's nobody but you.
No!
The only one is
met
you.
her in the change oil, she said.
Who?
I read it in your email.
No, you didn't.
You just went to change oil and now you have
When
to
did
do
I
this
change
to
the
me?
oil? I changed the
The
oil
last
myself.
time, dear.
The last time I changed the oil, I changed it myself in the
We're
yard.
married for 12 years, dear. And you gotta do this to me.
Stupid things, dear.
Why these people are cheating, dear?
Well, I don't know.
Why they cannot just be faithful to their partners?
Well, why don't you ask somebody who's cheated?
Why people will do this? Huh?
I don't know, dear. Let's see.
You love me?
Yes, I do. So if this is the lower level, and I make another one,
It's
just
only me
like
and
it
me
above,
alone? Forever and
the
ever?
only one, dear.
Dear?
I'm thinking, my dear.
What? I'm asking you.
Well, I don't have an answer for you because I don't know. Okay, so if I make two boxes exactly the same, and I put
Di
them
na
on
siya
the
magsabat
sled,
sa ngakon nga pamangkot.
put them on the sled.
You never did this to me then?
No, I've never done that. Never will do that.
Since we got married?
Since we've been married. So the question is,
Why?
when it's here,
Well, how can you prove that?
do I make this so that we can walk in this?
How
Or
can
do I
you
leave
prove
it
that,
so
dear?
it's- I don't know how you prove a negative, dear. Let's see, if I screw that in a half-inch in.
How can you prove that you've been faithful to me all your life since you married me?
I've always been faithful to you, dear.
Huh?
I've always been faithful to you. No,
because you're
you
not
don't laugh.
answering my
You
question
don't
about
laugh. You
change
don't laugh.
about change
No, I
oil.
heard you.
Who is
You
that lady in
stupid
the
chicken.
change oil? Is it true or not?
First of all, there's no lady in any change
Oh,
oil.
what is that?
If you'd like your mosquito, he's
Hey,
right there.
there's no lady. That's why you don't want me to go with you.
I've never been to an oil change place.
Really?
Why would I go to some place that more often than not they've left things off, like left the oil cap off or done other things that cause the car to have problems later?
Next time you don't go to change oil without me.
No, I always buy my own and do my own because I don't trust people to change the oil on my $70,000 vehicle.
So it's only me then? Dear,
It's always been only you.
cross your heart.
Stop filming.
Then kiss me. Kiss me.
Stop filming.
Kiss me.
Stop filming.
Kiss me, then I'll stop. You're crazy. Hi, maan. Natapos ko dugay diya prank ko kay Kano ya version ko sa nga change oil nga di ah. Wow, Ginoo ko kapoy man bawa. Hay kloy may pobre way kita natin mas naan kanang ga trending at change oil dayan sa Pilipinas pati tanan na biktima. Hindi ako isang laruan na kung ayaw mo na iyong papalitan. So gari ka mo nga managapa-change oil pagharalong ka mo. Hay baw, pasi palang mautdan kamot mga atubangan. Biyad lang kung hindi ka mo madakpan. Gani, mga palangga, babay na, hay madaha pa ko kalupo ko. So, salamat gid sa pagsilaw nyo sang akon nga version sang change oil. Babay na mga palangga, ay madigamo pa ako kaakon nga arayapunon o arayapunon namon tuya. So, why you were upset? It's just a prank. I was trying to prank you.
It's not a funny prank.
Huh?
It's not a funny prank.
Why? Why it's not funny, dear?
I think you can figure that out.
Huh? Why it's not funny? It was funny. I was laughing at you. Huh? Here. Why it was not funny?
I'm not going through this.
Huh?